I'm here today at the NYSE Tech Summit 2023, and joining me is Andreas Aepli. He is the CFO at Climeworks. Andreas, it is wonderful to see you again. Thanks for joining me today.
Great to be here, Judy.
So Andreas, Climeworks is helping companies achieve net zero. So tell me, for those who are not familiar, talk about the company and talk about your global expansion.
Happy to, thank you. So Climeworks, we take CO2 directly out of the air, directly from the atmosphere, and then together with our partners, we store it permanently underground. So we remove it. And we help companies, as you said, get to net zero, addressing their unavoidable emissions. We built the world's first plant that does that in Iceland at a capacity of about 4,000 tons a year. We're currently building a 10 times larger plant, which will come online next year. And we're now expanding to the US in much, much larger scale.
Okay, so now tell me, how does Climeworks maintain high quality and integrity standards in carbon dioxide removal, and how do we build this trust in your technology?
So we're in the voluntary carbon market, and trust and certification is very important in that market. There have been a couple of controversies, especially this year, because some other methods haven't been able to prove that they're fully measurable and fully additional. So it's a topic we take really seriously. And there's two advantages we have. One, we use a technological process that is inherently measurable. And we measure through all the way of the process to make sure that what we do actually counts and is actually additional. And the second thing is we also work with third parties to certify and verify what we do. So we've been working with an engineering company called DNV. They're a very renowned engineering company, and they verify all the volumes that we sell to our clients. And we've recently announced a collaboration with Puro on developing the world's first certification standard for durable carbon removals.
Okay. And finally, Andreas, tell me, what immediate strategies do you recommend for corporations to address the urgent need for carbon dioxide removal?
So first, I want to clarify, the first duty is always to see how can we reduce our carbon footprint. So any company should first assess what is my overall carbon footprint, what are my strategies to reduce it, but then also you need to start thinking about how to remove. And there's two messages there. One, there's likely going to be a huge supply shortage by 2030 of carbon removals. If all the companies that have committed to net zero were to achieve that, we're looking at a shortage of about 1 billion tons of supply. The good news is there's still supply available today because there's a lot of projects coming on and they all need long-term offtake agreements. But the time to act is now because that supply won't be available forever. We're going to have a big shortage. So now is the right time to start thinking about your removal portfolio and to start investing into it.
All right, well, Andreas, always wonderful to talk with you. Thanks for joining me today at the NYSE Tech Summit.
Thank you so much.